Let's take a look at 108. We've got renewed light fixtures, vinyl plank flooring, a hall closet for your coats and shoes, and unlike any of the other units, we actually have a closet that would handle electrical, plumbing, maybe a stackable washer dryer. I don't know, what would you put in here? Over here to the right, we have the great room. The whole unit was remodeled with alder cabinets, quartz countertops, glass backsplash, stainless steel sink, stainless steel appliances, and lots of storage. This gives you room to actually cook in here or entertain. Notice we've got crown molding at the top. It's a garden level unit, so you get plenty of sunshine and privacy when you pull the blinds down. Both bathrooms have been redone. This bathroom has a new vanity and a brand new shower with a floor that's been put in. All right, here's the hall. Here's one of the bedrooms. Crown molding, newer windows, newer lights, and the same vinyl plank flooring. Closet's a little bit deep, so there's room for some extra storage in here. Let's see, you've seen the bathroom. Here's the bathroom across the hall, and here is the primary bedroom. You can see it's bigger than the other one. The closet has some extra length to it, not quite as deep as the other one. And it has its own bathroom, so you don't have to share with guests. This one also has been redone. Both bathrooms have new toilets, new vanities, new light fixtures, and this one has a soaking tub deep enough so you keep everything warm. You don't have to say, my tummy is cold. Anyway, this home is for sale in Denver and very close to so many things. Consider it. What would you